Hey guys, it's your girl Lyasia, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this bomb braided ponytail. So if you're interested in seeing how I did it, just keep watching. So if you've been following me on Instagram, then you know I've had my hair straightened for a while. And if you don't follow me, go ahead and do so. I'll leave my handle right here. But it's definitely time for me to wash my hair, but before that, I really wanted to do this style. So I'm going to start by brushing my hair, smoothing it out, and then gathering all my hair to the top of my head where I want my ponytail to sit. Then I'll take some Eco Styler gel to put around my perimeter just to smooth down my edges and any flyaways. And then take a brush just to smooth it out, getting it nice and sleek and smooth. Then taking a bigger scrunchie, I'm going to put a ponytail on the top after I take a break because doing ponytails are exhausting. But taking this scrunchie, I'm gonna tie a really nice ponytail on the top of my head. Next, I'm taking a piece of that hair just to cover the scrunchie and pinning it in the back. So today I'll be using this jumbo braid kanekalon hair, and I'm using 2 packs of it. And this is what the hair looks like. So each bundle comes with this little rubber band on it, so I'm just gonna cut that off of each of them. And then I'm going to just combine both packs of hair. This way I'll have a nice, thick, chunky braid versus a stingy, skinny braid. We don't want that. Next, I'm gonna take a scrunchie of mine to basically tie the hair together. So I'm going to take one piece and loop it over the other and pull it through. I don't even know how to explain that, but you guys see it and you get the drift. This way I can take that part of the scrunchie and put it over my ponytail so that the hair can hang as if it was coming from my own head. So then I'm just gonna flip my hair over the kanekalon hair and then just detangle it a little more to make sure it's nice and smooth. And as you can see, the color of this hair does not match my hair. My natural hair color is so unique and it's hard to ever find any hair that will match it, like never. So I did pick up a 1B27 because my hair usually looks kind of like, almost like it has natural highlights in it, although it doesn't look like it in this video. But I figured it would be the closest thing, and it eventually worked out and blended fine, so thank God for that. So I'm gonna section off the hair into 3 sections as you would do starting any normal braid, and just start braiding. This beginning part is the most difficult part because 1, it's really thick with my hair in the kanekalon hair, and 2, my hair is cut in layers, so it's kind of like not all even. So it did make it a little bit harder in the beginning, but once I kept going, it just became easier, especially once I got past my hair and was only braiding the kanekalon hair. It made it so much easier. And then you'll also notice that the hair does get a little bit tangled towards the bottom as I'm braiding, but it's easy to just use your fingers to just detangle it. So that was nothing. So I'll just continue doing this all the way down. And once I get to the bottom, I'll leave a little bit out and then just secure it with a black rubber band. So I'm just gonna take some gel in my brush to smooth out my edges a little more and fix any flyaways. Put on my all-time favorite nude lip gloss. It's Kylie Cosmetics and so cute. And I went for some bamboo hoops this time around because it just fit the look. and bam, giving you all these 80s vibes. I love this look so much. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Per usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on your bell notifications so you get a notification every time I upload. And I'll see you guys at my next video.